Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of deleting a chat in Telegram on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Step 2. Open the chat conversation that you want to delete. Step 3. At the top right corner, click on the three dots icon. Step 4. From the options that appear, choose Delete Chat. Step 5. In the pop-up window, check the box that says Also Delete for the contact you want. Step 6. Finally, click on Delete to confirm. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted the chat in Telegram on your PC. Deleting a chat can be helpful if you want to clear your conversation history or remove a specific chat from your list. Remember, once you delete a chat, it cannot be recovered, so be sure before you proceed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.